Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of software engineering subject. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about another agile development models. In previous video lecture, we have discussed about Scrum model. Now we will discuss about feature driven development model. It's called FDD. Okay, so in it there will be five overall phases will be there. First phase will be a develop an overall model. Second phase will be the build a feature list. In that, developer and a designer will have to build a feature list, means a list of features grouped into set and set areas. So they will have to enlist all the features that they have to apply into the project. After designing and building a feature list, they will plan by feature. Plan by feature means they will develop a plan for the each and every feature of the project. In that we have written that a development plan, class owners, feature set owners. After it, our fourth phase will be the design by feature. In that a design package, or we can say a sequence, will be there. And our last phase will be the build by feature. In it, complete client value function will be there. So we will discuss these five phases into deep. In feature driven development model, originally Peter Code suggested this approach for object oriented software engineering. So we will have to focus on the word object oriented software engineering. Stephen Palmer and John Fleising has suggested and also extended the enhanced codes work, means Peter Code's work. In FDD, the feature means client valued functions. Various phases of FDD, we will discuss that five phases. Our first phase is developed overall model. In this, the high level walkthrough of scope and detailed domain workthrough are conducted to create overall models. In second phase, we will build feature list. List of feature is created and expressed in a following form. There will be a special form. First there will be an action, then there will be the result. After it, by, for, of, to, any one can be there, a or an, and after it object. So for example, we have a sentence here: display product specification of the product. So here display is our action, product specification is our result, and object is our product. So this will be a sentence and this will be a build feature list will be there. We will have to display product specification of the product. So in it our action will be of displaying, and our result will be product specification, and our object will be the product. So this is the build feature list. In it we will list features created and expressed in this form. After plan by feature, so in it, after completing the feature list, the development plan is created. Design by the feature, for each feature the sequence diagram is created. And in last, build by feature. So finally the class owner develop the actual code for their classes. So this is the FDD, feature driven development model. Then these five phases are there. After it, our next model is Crystal model. Alistair and Highsmith suggested the Crystal family of agile method. In this method, a set of methodology are defined which contains the core element that are common to all. This method also contains role, process patterns, work products, and practices that are unique to each. Thus, the Crystal family is actually a set of agile processes that are useful for different type of projects. The agile team has to select the members of Crystal family that is most appropriate for their ongoing project and development. So in short, there will be a plenty of object, or we can say plenty of member will be there. We will have to select for our project appropriate members, or we can say appropriate member models for the ongoing project. And last, we will have agile modeling. Agile modeling can be used for large and complex projects. The problem can be partitioned effectively among the group of people, and the quality of working model can be assessed at every step of development. Scott Amber described the Agile modeling as Agile modeling is a collection of values, principles, and practices for modeling the software. Agile modeling is a practice-based methodology for effective modeling and documentation. There are several features are suggested for Agile modeling, and they are: first one is specific the purpose of the model. In it, goal and objective of the model must be known to the developers. Second one will be the make use of multiple models. In it, set of models can be useful for building desired software product. Previously we have also checked that we can use different model and make our hybrid model. So we have discussed that we can use extreme programming with the ASD, we can use extreme programming with the MSMD. So this can be a different model can be merged together. Okay, so our third point is follow a defined path, or we can say follow a definite path. Use only those models that give long-term values. Fourth is that give importance to contents and not the presentation. So our content must be clear than the presentation. Correct information is more important than the presentation. Number 5, understand the models and supporting tools. In it, understand the strength and weakness of the model and tools. If we are using extreme programming model for our project, then we should know the strength and weakness of these models. Sixth is adapt locally. Need of modeling must be satisfied by adopting appropriate model. So these are the features of Agile modeling. This is the summary of this our second unit, that is Agile modeling. In it we have discussed about what is agility, principles to achieve agility. After it, Agile process and their key assumptions. After it, we have discussed about Agile software process, and in last we have discussed different Agile models. We have started with extreme programming, and that is the most used model for Agile. After it, we have discussed ASD, means adaptive software development. Next, dynamic system development model. Next, Scrum model. In it we have discussed some 1 month Scrum, and in it we have all 1 working days plans. In it we have discussed about some 15-minute standing meetings. After it, we have discussed FDD, means feature driven development, crystal model, and Agile modeling. So this is it for our second unit, and this is it also for our this video lecture. So if you like this video, then like, comment, and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you, friends.